Welcome back. This is Kavu Creative. Ready to design? Today, we are making a modern tech logo. We'll use simple squares. It gives a very clean look. The steps are super easy. Let's open Illustrator and start. Let's find the center. Double-click the Artboard tool. Check Show Center Mark. And hit OK. Set Fill to None. Use only the stroke. Pick the rectangular grid tool. Alt-click the center. Make it 300 by 300. Set 11 dividers each way. And click OK. Switch to the pen tool. Draw the shape on the grid. Hold Shift for straight lines. Hold Ctrl and click outside to end the path. Select it all. Pick the shape builder. Swap stroke to fill. See the mesh highlight and plus icon? Swipe across to merge the pieces. Right-click and ungroup. Select all. Hold Shift to deselect the main shape. Hit Delete. Hit I for the eyedropper. Let's add some vibrant colors. Here is a quick trick. Hold Ctrl to select a shape. Pick your color and repeat. Select all, then deselect the center square. Press R for the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click the center. Type 90 degrees and hit Copy. Press Ctrl D twice to finish. Select everything. Go to Object menu, select Expand, and hit OK. Now, go to the Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Grab the Magic Wand tool. Now, click on any part of the outline. See how it selects everything at once? One press of the Delete key and it's all clean. Check this out. Our modern tech logo is finally complete and the result is top-notch. It just shows how a few basic squares can turn into a masterpiece. Make sure to save your project right now. Now, I want to see what you created. Share your thoughts in the comments. Was this 3D workflow helpful? Hit that subscribe button on Kavu Creative to unlock your full design potential. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries.